What the heck is going on in Virginia? I'll tell you what's going on in Virginia. A lot of labor law changes, and a lot of Virginia business owners aren't happy about it. So today I'm going to talk about the 5 things I think are most important to pay attention to now and what to plan for in terms of what's coming. Non-competes. If you want simple, I'm going to tell you to stop using non-competes, but I realize it's not that simple. There are certain, and quite a few now, low-wage positions that you can't enforce a non-compete with any longer, and there's lots of legalities around this, and there is a difference between non-compete and non-solicitation. But in general, if you're an employer in Virginia, stop with the non-competes. Next, effective July 1st, pay transparency and pay history. I could tell you a lot about this too, but here's the main takeaway. Stop putting job postings online without a pay range. You are in violation of the Pay Transparency Act if you continue to put job postings online without pay or pay range information. Retire Path. Retire Path has existed for 25 plus employees for a while now, but now it exists for businesses with 5 or more employees. So the main takeaway is, if you don't offer a retirement plan and you're between 5 and 9 employees, you're expected to get into compliance by September 30th, and then you will attest to the state that you now comply, either with your own simple IRA or a 401k, or you're going to opt to go through the state. If you have 10 to 24 employees, you have until October 30th. And for 25 plus, you also have until October 30th to get into compliance if you haven't to this point, but technically you should already be in compliance if you have 25 or more employees. Paid sick leave. There's time. And by the way, other states mandated paid sick leave a long time ago. 7/1/2027 is when businesses with 50 or more employees that don't already offer paid sick leave have to comply. And then it's tiered every 6 months thereafter. You have time. You have time to figure out what this either accrual or lump sum system is going to look like in your PTO policy. But pay attention to 7/1/2027 if you're 50 or more employees. Paid family leave. Yes, it is a progressive thing for Virginia to do. Lots of other states have already been doing it. Here's what I'm going to tell you. Be aware of it, but don't freak out. Deductions for this, whether it's employee or employer funded or both, depending on how many employees you have, that doesn't happen until April 2028, and no one can actually start taking paid family leave as a paid benefit, generally going to be collected from the state, until December. If you have any additional questions or you want further information or more of my opinions, feel free to visit our Contact Us page at inspiringhr.com.